Kids get really excited about just doing something different, and that's what we provide, is just something different and doing rather than just sitting. I've even had kids say, this is the best decision I made all year was to come. It's a different approach to reading or math or science because it's more hands-on, and it's also something that prepares them for a career.
If you are a salesperson selling big ticket items, whether it be a piece of equipment, machinery, whatever, you're not going to have the opportunity to go to 12 places because why?
So the students that I have, 2-3 years, they learn the marketing, the management, entrepreneurship, and it is challenging. It's applying everything that they learn in those AP classes into the real world of my classroom. So they're seeing the pieces put together in a puzzle, which is what CareerTech is all about.